Are you looking for a newsletter platform that can help you create, distribute, and manage your email newsletters? If that's the case, then this video is for you. I will provide you with a complete review of the newsletter platform Beehiiv. Nowadays, many businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators are starting to create newsletters. Newsletters are a great way to build trust with your audience by regularly sharing important information. They help boost your existing services by keeping your audience informed about what you offer. Newsletters allow you to give your audience free and useful content that they can read regularly. In this review, we will discuss Beehiiv's pricing, features, and other key aspects that make it stand out from other newsletter platforms. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here I am on the landing page. From here, you can scroll down to see all the different newsletters included with Beehiiv, as well as the different features they offer. If I scroll back up and go to their pricing section, you will see that the pricing is very affordable. For beginners with a limited budget, you can start with the free plan. This plan includes key features such as web hosting, custom newsletters, analytics, custom fields, unlimited sending, and more. You can create your newsletter using these features. You might be curious about what each feature does. I'll provide you with a brief description of the purpose of each one. Web hosting is a space on the internet for your newsletter, so you don't need to buy a separate website. Your newsletters are stored and accessed online. Customized newsletter allows you to design and personalize your newsletters to look the way you want. This includes choosing colors, fonts, and layouts that match your brand. Analytics is a feature that lets you see data about your newsletters, such as how many people opened them, clicked on links, or unsubscribed. It helps you understand how well your newsletters are doing. Custom fields allow you to add special sections to your newsletters, like the subscriber's name or other personalized information. It helps make your newsletters more relevant to your readers. Lastly, Beehiiv offers an unlimited sending feature. With this, you can send as many newsletters as you want without any limits. This means you can reach out to your subscribers as often as needed. If you scroll down further, you will find more features that change depending on the plan you pick. At the top of the page, you will be asked how many subscribers you have. You can enter the number of people on your email list, and Beehiiv will suggest the best plan for you. For example, if you have 2,500 subscribers, the free plan will cover that number. If you have more subscribers, you will need to switch to the scale plan or the max plan. It's important to know that the plans depend on the number of subscribers. The more subscribers you have, the higher the price of each plan. You can get the scale plan for as low as $39 per month. If you choose to be billed yearly, the price will be reduced to $34 monthly. You can also start with a 30-day free trial without needing a credit card, which is great for trying out the platform. The scale and max plans come with many extra features. I'll provide you with each one and give you their uses. First, we have the option to create a custom domain. This will allow you to change your website address, making it look more professional. Next is the A/B testing. This tool lets you test different email titles to see which one gets more people to open your emails. However, it's okay to begin with the free plan and upgrade to a paid plan later when you need more features. If you scroll back up and go to the resources section, you will see they have lots of helpful content. They have a blog with many articles that can help you grow your newsletter. There's also a support section and tutorial videos that teach you how to use the platform, which is great if you are new to this. Looking at their blog, you will see it is set up just like a regular newsletter. If you scroll down, you will find many articles that teach you various things, like the best ways to make money from your newsletter and the best tools for managing your email list. These articles are very useful and educational. Beehiiv is powerful because it creates a website for you, and you can do all this with the free plan. You can keep all your newsletters on a website, and you can also edit things like SEO too. If you're wondering what SEO means and its purpose, I'll provide you with a short description. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a way to make your website show up higher in search results on Google and other search engines. When people search for something related to what you offer, good SEO helps them find your website easily. Now let's talk about sending out your newsletter. You can pick specific groups from your subscriber list and decide where your newsletter goes. whether it's through email, on your website, or both. This means you can send personalized content to different groups of people. Of course, you want to make money with your newsletters, so let's focus on subscriptions. Beehiiv allows you to create a subscription-based newsletter service. You'll get insights into your premium subscriptions, which is perfect for creators who want to offer paid newsletters. You can also customize parts of your newsletter, such as domains, logos, and thumbnails, to make it uniquely yours. In the Design Lab section, you'll find templates that can guide you in designing your newsletter. These templates help you decide on elements like background colors, fonts, font sizes, and logos. It's perfect for beginners who want to try out Beehiiv for free and upgrade as they grow. Overall, I highly recommend using Beehiiv. It helped me create and distribute my newsletters successfully, and if you're interested in experiencing its features, simply click the exclusive link in the description below to take advantage of the 30-day free trial. I hope this review helped you in any way. I encourage you to explore it further. Based on my own experience with it, I genuinely recommend giving it a shot, and I'm confident that you'll find it helpful too. That's all for now. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.